Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will update from Seminyak to the airport. So you will see how look like the condition at the moment in the main street from Seminyak to the airport. Check it out. This is the condition at the moment in Sunset Road. Usually in this area before the pandemic corona, always traffic jam. But today you can see it's not so many traffic. Easy driving. Left side is hotel and a lot of car parking. I happy to see that. Big shop left side, but quiet. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very clear. This is kind of like highway in Bali. You see, it's very quiet, isn't it? Left side is hotel, quiet. And actually in this area, it's not so many hotel. It's just for local business. But we have some hotel, but not so much. Okay, there is at the front, is traffic light. We will stop for a few minutes. I'm driving is around 46 km per hour. Left side, there is a lot of shop, local business, and some hotel also. Oh, this is the second traffic light. We have to stop here also. Okay, we go continue. Sushi left side. Best restaurant, and I've been there before. I got a customer from Slovenia. They invite me to go there and have lunch together. It was very nice. There's the Carrefour, big shopping mall. And now a bit more speedy now. It's quite busy, isn't it? Actually, from Seminyak to the airport, we need driving around half an hour driving. But today, maybe like about 15 minutes, we will reach there because not so many traffic. Okay, now we we drove into the underpass. You can see on the right side. Also, there's so many cars there. So very quiet too. It's been like from Kuta, from Nusa Dua, go to Seminyak area. Also quiet. Right side. In left side, there is Matahari Galleria, big shopping mall, and also duty free. Okay guys, from Sunset Road, now we reach bypass Ngurah Rai Street. Still look quiet too. Left side, there is a lot of shop, just for the local business actually. In this area, also we have some hotel and some spa. Left side, there is spa. And you see, left side, the big building, there is like souvenir shop. In Bali, we call Krishna. Quiet, isn't it? Rapid antigen left side. So many business kind of like this at this time during the pandemic corona. It's just like drive-through to do rapid antigen. Rapid antigen again, the business left side. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell notification. And also in this area, left side, right side, there is the local shop business. So even before the pandemic corona, not so many people walk around on the sidewalk, just empty like this actually. That's the same as before, but only the different on the main street in bypass usually load the car and traffic jam. Oh, there is look like traffic jam. Oh, I think there's a truck will be parking at the front. So just make traffic jam. Oh yeah, there is at the front left side. There is this truck have parking. Okay, we continue from bypass Ngurah Rai to the airport. So this is the condition at the moment. Look so quiet, not so busy. Just easy driving. Usually in this area also traffic jam. And we are nearly by the airport now, around 5-minute drive into the airport. Right side there is underpass to go to Nusa Dua. you see the left side, there is to go to the toll road on the ocean. There's the gate. But we continue driving to the right side because we will go to the airport. From bypass NGURAH Rai Street, now we turn right, and then now we will reach Airport NGURAH Rai Street. Yeah, this is Airport NGURAH Rai Street now. So it means like we are very close to the airport now. Actually, the left side there is airport already, but this area is a cargo airport. Left side. And if you see the right side at the corner, that is Gatot Koco statue on the horse. You see left side, load the motorbike parking. There is some people doing vaccine. Left side there is still a cargo in the airport. Now you see how the traffic is get more quiet than before, isn't it? Because this is like one way to go to the airport in Kuta from the south part, and it's look like so very quiet. There's not so many cars. Left side, still cargo airport, and right side there is some hotel nearby the airport. And now I'm driving more speeding because just very quiet on the road. You see the big building in the front? There is international airport, but still closed. And beside there is a domestic airport. And now there is the gate to go to the airport. So you can see it's no people. I mean, it's no car, no one car, just very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment from Seminyak to the airport. Still look very quiet, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.